Hi, this is Travis with the Sierra Avalanche Center, and here's our state of the snowpack for Friday, April 5th. In many ways, this past week was a lot like a repeat of the week prior. We had two wintry storms with a few days of warm spring weather in between. The storm last weekend gave us enough new snow and wind for the possibility of natural avalanches, spiking the avalanche danger to considerable. And then as the storm passed, winds shifted direction and redistributed snow. Reforming wind slabs and human triggers remained a concern at mid to upper elevations. At the same time, mid and lower elevations really heated up, producing wet, loose avalanches. Here are all the observations from the past week that included avalanche activity. Most of these were small, but a few were big enough to harm a person if they were caught or buried. Then we got another smaller storm beginning Wednesday night and continuing through Thursday night. In some places, this was just enough new snow for a reset and return of wind slab concerns, and then in others, there's enough new snow for storm slabs. Here are some photos that show the progression of the past week. This photo was taken right after last weekend's storm, and you see by the shadows here that this image is looking south. And then the erosion pattern in the snow here shows that the winds were coming from the east, from the left to the right, from this perspective. Here's a crown from a wind slab avalanche earlier in the week, and another wind slab avalanche from the same time period. And then as things began to heat up, the snow surface moistened, especially on mid and lower elevation slopes. Here's a wet, loose avalanche near Mount Rose, and then another one at Emerald Bay that actually covered one of the lanes of the highway. As this last storm passes, we'll have some lingering cold temperatures this weekend, and maybe even a weak system on Sunday. And then temperatures are forecast to rise a fair amount next week, above average temperatures, so we're probably returning to a wet, loose avalanche concern throughout the week. And then hopefully as the week progresses, we get good overnight refreezes and classic spring conditions.